So today we're going to learn how to make an origami crow that can perch on top of things. This traditional origami bird is easy to make, great for kids to make at Halloween. This origami bird is unique in that it can stand up on a flat surface. It has to be a raised edge, such as a shelf, stack of books, or the edge of a table. Use black origami paper for the crow, or if you're making a magpie or other kind of bird, you can use different colored paper. First, though, we do need a square sheet of paper. So if you don't have square sheets of paper, you can make it from regular sheet and then color it in afterwards or something like that. So to do that, fold over a sheet of paper, and you're going to want to take a pair of scissors. And you're going to want to cut all this excess off. When you do that, you'll end up with square sheets of paper like this. So to do this, we need one square sheet of paper. You fold it diagonally. And unfold the previous step. We're going to fold the bottom corner up. And we're going to unfold that. We're going to flip the paper over to the other side and fold the right edge over to the left. Next, we're going to unfold that and fold the bottom edge up to the top edge. And then we're going to unfold that. Now we're going to rotate the paper diagonally. Then we're going to take and collapse that top point inwards and down like this. So we get a nice diamond shape. Oh, that didn't. And just like this. There. Anyways, now we got our diamond shape. Okay? And you want the open section down at the bottom. Okay? Fold the lower left and right edges into the middle, to the middle crease. So let me fold those over to the middle, just like that. And same with the other side. Just like that. Okay? Now we're going to fold the top point down along the top edge of the flaps you made in the previous step. So we're going to fold that down right along that, nice and even in the center, just like that. Then next, we're going to unfold both of those last two things I just did. I'm going to lift up the flap from the bottom and bring it upwards. Let's bring it upwards. Huh? Okay, so we're going to open it up. Oh, with the crease back here, you're going to open it up. You're going to want to, there, that's what it is. Yes. So, you want to do it, whoops. Jeez. Alright. Kind of like that. You want to just kind of fold this inwards, and then you want to kind of fold that one inwards better. And that one kind of has to be folded inwards better. You just kind of make okay. There. You got a diamond shape kind of thing. Repeat it on the other side. So bring this flap down. Now we got a crease to follow. Okay. See, now we have this. I'm going to fold the bottom 2 points up about 1/3 of the way. I guess. And then fold this one diagonally down to the right. Kind of down. And open the flap and flatten it into a sideways kite shape, kind of like shown. Come on. Just kind of, how the heck? I don't know. Fold the top of the flap down. So, fold this down, then open it up. Just kind of flatten it out somehow. And fold it. I don't know, something like that. Fold the front layer downwards. So flip the model over from left to right. Fold the right section over to the left. No. Fold it properly to the left, evenly. And shape the head. You're going to want to fold this diagonally over to the left. Sorry guys about this. This is not the best. No. There, like that. It's supposed to be like that. Sorry, guys. I'm going to unfold the previous step and inside reverse the fold the crease. For the head. And there you go. You got your little messed up feet. That kind of sits on the edge. You can just stick it on the edge of something. Obviously not my finger, but you can stick it on the edge of something and there you go. You got your completed crow.